In the realm of geological and ecological research, innovative methods often arise to solve complex puzzles about our planet's past. One such intriguing case comes from New Zealand, where scientists have employed a unique approach to track down missing rivers by studying fish populations. This method not only sheds light on ancient waterways, but also provides valuable insights into the processes of geological change and species evolution. The story centers around fish from the genus Galaxias, found in two separate populations in New Zealand's South Island, specifically in the provinces of Otago and Southland. These fish belong to the same species, yet their populations are miles apart and not connected by any visible waterway. This curious distribution pattern prompted researchers to investigate, leading to a fascinating hypothesis about the region's geological past. The key to understanding this puzzle lies in the concept of ancient river systems. The presence of the same fish species in two disconnected locations suggests that these areas were once linked by a single river. Over time, geological processes, particularly mountain formation, altered the landscape dramatically, effectively cutting the original river in half and creating two separate water systems. This geological change had profound implications for the fish populations. Once a continuous habitat, the river's division forced the fish into isolated groups. This separation sets the stage for a process known as allopatric speciation, a fundamental concept in evolutionary biology where populations of the same species, when geographically isolated, may evolve into distinct species over time. Allopatric speciation occurs when barriers prevent gene flow between populations. In this case, the rising mountains created a formidable obstacle, preventing the fish from interbreeding across the newly formed divide. Over time, each population may adapt to its specific environment, potentially leading to the emergence of new species. However, in the New Zealand case, this process is still in its early stages, as the fish in both locations are currently classified as the same species. The presence of these fish populations serves as a living map, allowing researchers to trace the most likely path of the ancient river. This path appears to run under what is now farmland, southwest of the present-day Mataora River. This discovery is significant not just for understanding the region's geological history, but also for its potential implications in various scientific fields. From a geological perspective, this finding offers valuable insights into the processes of mountain formation and river system changes in New Zealand. It provides evidence of significant tectonic activity that reshaped the landscape, creating the Southern Alps and altering the course of rivers. This information is crucial for understanding the broader geological history of the region and how it has evolved over millions of years. For ecologists and conservation biologists, this research highlights the importance of considering historical connections when studying current ecosystems. The fish populations serve as living relics of a past landscape, providing a unique opportunity to study how species adapt to changing environments over long periods. This knowledge can be invaluable in predicting how species might respond to future environmental changes, including those brought about by climate change. The study also underscores the interconnectedness of ecosystems across time and space. What appears as disconnected habitats today may have been part of a continuous system in the past. This perspective is crucial for conservation efforts, as it emphasizes the need to consider historical ecological connections when developing strategies to protect and manage species and habitats. Furthermore, this research method demonstrates the power of interdisciplinary approaches in scientific inquiry. By combining knowledge from geology, ecology, and evolutionary biology, researchers were able to piece together a complex puzzle about the region's past. This holistic approach to science can lead to more comprehensive and nuanced understandings of natural phenomena. The case of the Galaxias fish in New Zealand also raises interesting questions about the concept of species and speciation. While these populations are currently considered the same species, their geographical isolation sets the stage for potential divergence. Monitoring these populations over time could provide valuable data on the early stages of speciation, offering a rare opportunity to observe evolution in action. This research also has practical implications for water resource management. Understanding ancient river systems can provide insights into underground water flows and aquifer systems, which is crucial information for managing water resources in agricultural areas like the farmlands where the ancient river once flowed. In conclusion, the story of tracing ancient rivers through fish populations in New Zealand is a testament to the ingenuity of scientific research and the complex interconnections in nature. It demonstrates how living organisms can serve as windows into the past, helping us understand geological and ecological changes over vast timescales. This approach not only solves the mystery of missing rivers, but also contributes to our broader understanding of evolution, ecology, and geology. As we continue to face environmental challenges and seek to understand our planet's history, such innovative research methods will be increasingly valuable. They remind us that the key to understanding our present and future often lies in deciphering the clues left by the past, sometimes in the most unexpected places, like the distribution of small fish in seemingly unconnected rivers.